What's up, people? Today we're going to be checking out some outdoor LED lights right after this. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. I want to give a shout out to Ecoluminal for sending these lights out for review. We're going to put these up in my backyard and see how they look. If anybody's interested in getting these, they also hooked us up with a promo code that'll get you 25% off. So let's get into the install. So it looks like I am going to need both sets of cable, but it might be a little bit too much, so I'm gonna have to try to figure out how I'm gonna get it where it's not too much left over. Alright, so I think I got my basic layout of how I'm gonna lay these out. I'm gonna use these hooks here to attach them to the house and maybe tie them down with some zip ties. I also have these hooks on them, so I can also use those. So let's get to drilling. Now to tie it to the other end of the cable, I'm gonna use just some regular black zip ties. Now I want to open up this umbrella because I know this umbrella may be higher than these lights, so I want to make sure the lights are not hitting this umbrella while it's open. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and see how it looks. It looks like I'm going to be able to do maybe 2 more back and forths before I run out of space here. And if I didn't show you these already, it also comes with all the bulbs you need. You gotta individually screw those in. Alright, so before I go ahead and snip all of these zip ties off, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what it looks like in the daytime. You're probably not gonna be able to see it that good, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up and see what it looks like, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like at night. And of course, you can't see anything. So, like I said before, I'm just gonna come back and show you what it looks like at nighttime, because right now you can't really see anything. So again, I want to thank Ecoluminal for sending these bulbs out. They look pretty good. If you're interested in getting a pair of these, I'll have the link in the description, and you can use this promo code right here to get 25% off your purchase. Again, thank y'all for sending them out. If you have any questions about how I put these up, leave them down in the comment section. I'll be sure to get to it. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace out.